People come, people go. They don't know what's right or wrong, and I'm in the middle. Empty faces, empty hearts. They just talk about their lives. It's getting hard for me to listen. Day after day, night after night, I can see time passing by, but nothing is different. Broken hearts, broken minds, they just keep it all inside.